In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create posters in Canva using the free online campaign poster maker. First, open your browser and go to the Canva website. If you already have an account, log in with your usual details. If you do not have an account yet, you can quickly sign up for free using your email or another option on the screen. Once you are logged in, you will land on the Canva homepage. Now on the homepage, go to the top search bar, click inside the search box and type the word poster. As you type, Canva may suggest different poster formats, but for now just press enter or click on the main poster option that appears. This will open a new page with a large collection of poster templates ready for you to use. From here, you can decide if you want to start with a template or begin from a blank canvas. If you want a faster start, look through the different poster templates. Scroll up and down and you will see designs for events, campaigns, school projects, and more. When you find one that matches the style or layout you want, click on it once, then click the Customize this template button. Canva will open the poster in the editor. If you prefer to design everything yourself, look for the Create a Blank Poster option. Click that, and Canva will open a blank poster canvas with the correct size already set. Whether you choose a template or a blank canvas, you will now be in the Canva editor, ready to customize your poster design. Next, let's customize the text on your poster. Click once on any text box on the canvas. You will see a blue outline around it and a toolbar will appear at the top of the screen. Type in your own campaign title, slogan, event name, or message. You can highlight the text to change the font, adjust the size, and pick a new color from the toolbar. If you want to move a text box, click and drag it to a new position. If you need more text, go to the left sidebar, click on Text, then choose a heading, subheading, or body text, and it will be added to your poster. Now change the colors to match your campaign or brand. Click on the background or on any shape or element you want to recolor. A color tile will appear in the top toolbar. Click that tile to open the color picker. You can choose one of the default colors or add a custom color using a hex code if you have one. Adjusting colors is important for making your poster clear, readable, and visually strong, so try to keep enough contrast between your text and background. Next, let's add or edit elements like shapes, icons, and graphics. On the left side of the screen, click on the Elements tab. This will open a panel with shapes, lines, graphics, stickers, and more. To add something, simply click on it or drag it onto your canvas. From there, you can resize it by dragging the corners, rotate it using the rotate handle, and move it where you want it to sit on your poster. Use simple shapes like rectangles or circles to create backgrounds behind your text, which can make your message easier to read. Now, if you want to add your own photos, logos, or images, go to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Click the Upload Files button and select images from your computer. Once the upload finishes, you will see your files in the panel. Click on an image to add it to the poster, then resize and position it just like any other element. This is useful for campaign posters where you might need a logo, a product image, or a picture of a person. From here, take a moment to arrange everything neatly. Click and drag elements so they line up. Canva will show little guidelines to help you center things. Make sure text is easy to read, images are clear, and there is not too much clutter. You can zoom in and out using the zoom control in the bottom right corner to check small details. When you are happy with your poster design, it is time to save it. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. A menu will appear. From that menu, click Download. Canva will now show download options. Under File Type, choose what you need. For online or digital use, select PNG. For printing, choose PDF print so you get a high-quality file. After you pick the file type, click the Download button. Canva will prepare your file and it will be saved to your computer. Now you have created a poster in Canva, customized it with text, colors, elements, and uploads, and downloaded it as a PNG for digital use or as a PDF for printing.